Okay, now what? Good evening, bro. It's nice having you. What are the
I hope,
questions that you have?
okay. My first question is this.
Please, if you can be a little
Like,
bit louder.
hello, can you hear me clearer?
I can hear you.
Okay, my first question is this. When it gets to the middle of the week, sometimes I'm building my bias. It gets somehow difficult for me because I've been seeing multiples of breakout. So sometimes I lose focus. I don't know which one to choose again,
Okay.
depending on the direction of the market.
Okay. Now, is that
Then secondly,
okay?
this one happened. Hello?
I can hear you.
And this one happened on, was it, it's like in USD CHF. There was a breakout on H4, but on the daily time frame, I can't see where price is reacting from. So I was kind of confused. So I
Okay.
left it.
Sharp. This USD CHF also,
Mm,
I was expecting a level of buy from it, right?
yes,
I was expecting buy. I know people are saying
yes,
sell based on the breakout, but me, I know that we are going to buy. Now, your first question is that when you get to the middle of the week, how do you approach the market? It is very simple.
yes,
Let me tell you how I approach the market. Now, beginning of the week, can you see my annotation?
yes, I can see it.
Now, beginning of the week, let's assume that the market is at this level, right? At this level.
Yes,
And my speculation, or no, let me draw it very well. Okay. Market has reacted off a particular key level here, right? And in the beginning of the week, my
yes,
expectation is that maybe I've seen weekly reject weekly, daily breakout, and I'm expecting a sell from this point, this point that I mark as blue, to this point that I'm marking as red. And the market is already selling like this. I already know that I'm looking for sell because at the beginning of the week, I have done my bias building from the weekly time frame. Now, once you have done your bias building from the weekly time frame, you can only follow the daily and the H4. You can ride on the daily and the H4. Now, there are two ways you can ride the daily and the H4, and I'm going to be showing you those two ways on chart. Let me clean all this. Now, you can ride
okay,
the daily. Sorry, this is not my system, so let me bring in some tools that I will be needing.
no problem.
See, brush, rectangle. I have parts in a circle. Now, I can write the daily. Let's say at the beginning of the week, I have this, right?
Yes,
Market is already here. I've seen weekly reject weekly here, right? I've seen weekly reject weekly here.
yes,
Now, I know that I'm coming down here. Now, if I want to now continue riding this sell, I can use daily bias building. Please, can I share this link to another person?
no problem. You are free, sir.
If it is not convenient by you, just let me know.
Hello? No, no, you are free. You are free. Why
Okay.
not?
Now, there are
Yeah,
two
you can
ways.
share.
There are two ways you can ride the sell. One, you can ride the sell by using your daily bias building. That is, you are now expecting like a form of daily reject daily or a sweep of previous day. You can expect something like this. Now, this candle I'm drawing is daily, right? You can now see what a form of sweep of previous day, a sweep of previous day, right? And edge forward breakout
Yeah,
or a sweep and break. then you now use it to continue riding the sell. That's my A plus setup. If there's anything like A plus setup, that's the one that when I see it, I'll be like, wow, I can risk very well. And sometimes you will not see something like this. And the only thing you will see is that you will discover that daily will close bearish. There will be like a kind of a momentum on daily, right? And on H4, you just see your most recent breakout
Yes.
to the downside. Now, this most recent
Yes.
breakout, you can now ride it to the downside. Now, don't use most recent breakout on H1. If you are going to be using most recent breakout, it should be most recent breakout on H4, not on H1, on H4. The lower you go when it comes to trading, the high potential of you, or the more, or the more tendency that you are going to do what? That you are going to have loss. Do you get? Do you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, I am with you, sir.
Okay. Let's see if you can have chart example based on the question that you ask.
Okay.
Look at this. If we go to weekly and look at this same USD CHF that we have here, we have what? Weekly reject weekly
Yeah.
here, right? On
Yes.
daily, what do we have? We have breakout on daily. Now, the moment we have breakout on
Yes.
daily, you will discover that market did not give you any form of like sweep of previous day. But what the market presents, daily reject daily here also. Can you see? There's a daily rejection
Yeah, I
here.
can see.
Now, after daily reject daily, we want to see what? H4 breakout. Let me mark this space out. H4. Look, H4 gives what? A sweep and a break. H4 gives a sweep and then a break. Now, let me
Break.
see if I'm here, if I'll be able to see any entry. On H1, I want to look for my range. Now, on H1, I can't find anything that looks like range. Let me go to M30. On M30, look, I have a range. There's a range that starts here, right? A range that started here as sweep. Then we
Yes.
have what? A break. Now, on normal ground, if I will approach this market, I will expect that they go higher before they start dropping. So I might be having a miss entry here. Do you get? Now, if we now look at
Yeah.
H4, is there any way we can ride any H4 breakout? No. You see, there's no H4 breakout. The only H4 breakout that we have is here. And did the market come back to tap there? No. Market just kept on. Okay. No, 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 no. Look at, we have H4 breakout here. We have H4 breakout here. So your entry will be
Mm.
between this breakout level and this high, right? Let me go to H1 if we have a range. M30. Look at, on M30, what do we have? See, we have a sweep here. We have a break here. but we did not have any internal range liquidity as at the time this sweep and break is forming. But what did the market do? Market creates its own engineering liquidity here and then sell off from a key level around there, right? And that's the sell that we have here. So have I answered your question?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Now let's now look at your second question.
It's very clear now.
Your second question is that why is USD CHF buying, right?
Yes, yeah.
Now look at this. Baby, I'm busy, I'm coming. I'm coming. Sorry dear. Look at this. We have been selling for weeks, for months. So automatically you should expect some level of buys. Each time, let me tell you one thing that you should know about structure. Each time market take out external range liquidity, what do you expect? Reversal. And look at this. What do we see here?
Reversal.
We see reversal from this point to this point before they continue the sell. Look at market take out this external range liquidity also. What do we see? We see some level of reversal before they continue the sell. Market take
Reversal.
out external range liquidity here also. Even though it is weak, we see some level of reversal before they continue. So the moment we now take out this external range here, you should know that at any point we can reverse. Now go to daily. Now the moment I saw that we've taken out external range liquidity on USD card, on USD CHF, I did not even open USD CHF to look for any form of sell. I did not look for it. If I will be looking for any form of sell, I want them to give me a proper bias building, or they should even do a deep retracement before I start looking for sell. Do you get?
Yeah, yes.
So that's the reason. Any other question?
Okay. Help me go to um Great British Pounds JPY. Yeah, I have a
GBP,
question.
GBP, JPY.
JP, yes.
Okay, what are you looking for there?
Yeah, at the point I was confused, like you explained to me on
Are you trying to buy or you are trying to?
USDCHF. Okay, I was looking for a sell
You are
setup
looking for a
because the daily
sell,
breakout
but you discover that it is
is to the
buying.
downside.
I said you are looking
Hello?
for a sell, but you discover that it is buying.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now it's simple. Structure first. In anything that you are doing, structure first, right? Before we enter this week, what do we see? Market swept this high.
This
Not just that, it has swept this low also, but we still have this low intact. Why do I say we have this low intact? Look at this. This week, this one swept this one. This one also swept this one. So we have this low, we have this low also. The market can sweep. Aside from that, look at this. Daily. Let's read the structure of daily. Let's read the structure of daily. Higher high, higher low,
yeah.
higher high, higher low, higher high. Right? Market create
Yeah.
another higher low, created another higher high. Automatically, what are we expecting? Another higher low to create another higher high. Now, aside from that, what can you see here? The reason why I'm expecting buy on GBP JPY. Now, there are two ways to this. The sell might be valid. And the reason why I said the sell might be valid is that from year to year, from this zone to this zone, we have a daily range, right? We have a daily range.
Yes.
Now, this daily range, if I mark the 50% of this range, I don't have my, this is not my system. So let me mark the 50% out. This is the 50% level out. This is the 50% level here. Now, if you look at this 50%,
Yeah.
you can see that market has won. Market has gone below the 50%. So from that 50% and above, we can be and below, we can be expecting buys to set in. Another thing, market take out this internal range liquidity. Market did not close below. Do you get? Another
Yeah.
thing, this is open close, bearish open close key level that was what? Broken with momentum. Market break this open close key level. I'm talking about this one with momentum.
Yeah. I can
So the
see
moment
it.
I saw this, I was looking for buys. I was looking for buys. I have my what? H4 breakout here to confirm that my bullish my bullish thought process is right. That is the alignment of my daily with H4. Now, the moment I saw this was what I did. Though I did not pick this trade. I will be sincere with you. I was seeing this place as a sweep, right? Because if you zoom in very well,
Yeah.
you discover that you have a sweep, right? And you have a break. Now, this
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
H4. Go to line chart. This is H4 breakout, not sweep and break. Right? Can you see?
Yes.
Now, the moment I now see
Yeah.
this H4
Yeah.
breakout,
I'm with you.
I switch to my H1. On my H1, do I have any form of strong low? Look at this. This is not a strong low because most time I like my sweep to be evident. So when I switch to 1 hour, I discover that this is like a form of equal
Okay.
low. Do you get? And aside from it being an equal low, there's no liquidity here
Yeah.
that will protect this low. Even on 30 minutes, let's see. Can you see on 30 minutes? There's no structural liquidity, though some people might want to mark this one as what? Structural liquidity, but I want my structural liquidity
No.
to be a structure, not just one small candle, inside candle. No, I want it to be a structure. And that is why you discover that what? GBP JPY got to a zone here and what? Start buying. Does that mean that those that are looking for sales are wrong? No. They are looking at it from the perspective of reversal phase. But the moment I discovered that market has grabbed internal range liquidity, I was expecting them to give us a level or some buys. Even if we will now continue sell, from the weekly perspective, let me see what we can have. Are you guys still with me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm with you.
Now, if I will be looking for buys, for sell, I don't think I'll be looking for sell. Why? Sweep of previous week low, right? The high is still standing. Let's go to daily.
Yes. Yes.
There's no daily breakout yet. Now, because I don't have any daily breakout, this also will tell me that if I'm buying, no, my buy is a risky buy. Do you discover what I'm saying? Because we did not have daily breakout to the upside, but we still have
Yeah.
1 hour 44 minutes. If you can have a daily breakout, automatically I'll be looking for buys. But can you still look for buy? Why not if not? But it will be very risky. And the reason why I can say I can be looking for buy is we have two break of structure on H4 to the
Risky.
upside. Break of structure one, break of structure two to the upside. But it is what? Risky. Any other question?
GBP USD
What do you say?
this week.
Euro USD.
Hello?
Which pair? Which pair?
USD.
Euro, is it Euro USD or GBP USD?
Great British Pound
Oh, GU. GU na
JBP
my friend
USD.
now. Me and GU, we dey roll every time. GU. Let's look at GU. I don't know the number of minutes we still have left. Let me check. 8:53. Okay, we still have 8:50.
Okay.
My trading view, what happened? Load GU, load GU, trading view. Don't do this to me. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I am with you.
Sorry, let me reload my trading view.
Okay.
Trading view is the one delaying us. And I'm even using 5G net, 5G or
My network.
not even normal. I'm using 5G.
Okay.
I think it's trading view that is giving us
Is it from the
this.
system?
Let's wait for it to load.
Oh, trading in the sweet to if you know
I can't
what
hear
you are
you.
doing. Uh,
Do we have anyone with question?
I said trade in the sweet if you know what you are doing.
And the thing is that when it comes to trading, if we've been exposed to it at the tender age, it will be better.
Yes,
That's
after
number one.
this
Number two is
German 40, there's
some of
one
some of us have been exposed
storyline
to
I
wrong
built.
information. You said we should look at what? Light bearer. What do you say? Light bearer. What do you say?
Yes, yes, yes.
Which kind network is this? Oh, this is getting out of hand. Okay, let me share my screen back.
Okay.
Okay, can you guys see my screen back? Can you see my screen back? Let me know if I.
Yes, yes,
Okay. What do you say? GBP USD, right?
yes, I can. USD. Yes.
Now, you see, GBP USD is very nice. Let's
Okay.
go to 3 months time frame. There's something on 3 month time frame that you need to see. Now look at this. On the 3 months time frame, what do we have? Sweep of 3 months low. The what? The high is still standing, right? Look at, they took out this high this week. So, and also from monthly perspective, why is this trading view doing like this? We have just 10 minutes. I don't know, Telegram is just kicking me out. Let me share my screen again.
Okay.
I don't know if all the recording will be in one face. If you look at monthly also, monthly has swept, we've taken out this monthly high. Structurally, the moment market take out monthly high, weekly high, 3 months high, expect reversal. So that's the reason why we are seeing the sales that we have. Now, this sell does not mean that market will keep on selling like that too, because overall we are bullish. So it's just like a kind of a reversal. Look at, and what do I see? This is the reason, this is the
Okay.
thing I saw this morning on GU, on H4. The most recent breakout is to the downside here, is to the downside. And if you go to 1 hour, you see range. This network is just, on 1 hour, what do we have? We have a range, right? I, I was looking at that H4 key level and this H4 key level also. And this H4 key level, this one, that sponsored some level of buys before market take it out. And if you go to 30 minutes, what do you see? There's no liquidity close to any of there, and there's imbalance above this one. Market sold off, use this place as liquidity, and then sell off from there. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
You look at it, this is range, sweep,
Yeah.
break, but there's no B. So market came to engineer liquidity, take out the early sellers, and sold off from them. Any other question? We have just 1 minute.
Okay. Uh, Before this occurred, there
Okay.
is a buy that occurred before this sell to the downside.
On GU,
Can, can you move the chart? Yes, move the chart to the right side.
I'm coming. On what time frame? Daily?
Okay, sir.
Is it daily?
No, on H4. No, H4.
I'm on H4. Are you
Yes,
talking about this
within
case?
yeah, within this side. Yeah,
Now,
yes. There's one thing you said
go and watch
on
the
that group.
recent video I just dropped on.
Yeah, I was a victim.
I've dropped video on this particular price action, this same place. I did a video on it tonight because someone asked of it. We have just less than 5 minutes. That's why I can't but I start explaining it.
So where did you say I should go?
I have a video on it on my YouTube channel.
Okay, where did you say I will go and get the video?
I will send it to you.
I don't have the
I
link.
will send the
Maybe
link.
after.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I believe
Right.
I've made
I
justice.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So
Yes, sir. Yes.
have a
Very.
good evening. I've sent the video to you on WhatsApp now.